guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to hide like TikTok videos. So you have a lot of liked video on your TikTok profile and you don't want people to see that. I'm going to show you how to stop that from happening, right? So you go to your profile and you can see this love sign right there is where everybody are going to see all the videos you liked. So how do you turn that off? What you need to do is look above your screen. You can see the three horizontal line above your screen and click on settings and privacy, and you click on privacy. Scroll down to the down, like the last parts of it, and you can see liked videos. Click on that and click on only you. So as you can see, it's on only you already, so nobody's going to actually see all the video I liked, maybe ti repost or something like that, right? So this is actually how to hide liked TikTok videos. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.